Splice Sound's musicians distribution platform full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and related tools are in the description. Splice Sounds is a leading subscription-based music production platform that provides producers with access to a massive library of royalty-free samples, loops, one-shots, and sound packs. It's designed for music producers, beat makers, and sound designers who are looking to enhance their tracks with high-quality sounds, without the hassle of recording or creating every element from scratch. With its easy-to-use interface and seamless integration with major DAWs like Ableton, Logic Pro, and FL Studio, Splice has become one of the most popular platforms for producers across various genres. Key features. Splice Sounds offers over 1 million sounds from renowned creators and labels, organized into sound packs tailored to specific genres and production styles. The platform operates on a monthly subscription model, allowing users to download a set number of credits each month, which can be used to access any sound in the library. The Splice desktop app makes it easy to manage, preview, and download sounds directly into your DAW. In addition, Splice allows for collaboration through its Splice Studio feature, where producers can share projects, track changes, and collaborate remotely. Splice also offers a plugin subscription, giving access to premium VSTs and effects. Who it's for. Splice is ideal for producers and beatmakers across all experience levels who are looking to access a vast library of professional-grade sounds. Whether you're an independent artist or working in a professional studio, Splice provides the tools to enhance your music production workflow and stay inspired with fresh sounds. Strengths. Massive sound library. Access to a wide variety of genres and styles. Flexible subscription model. Choose a plan that fits your needs with a pay-as-you-go system. Collaboration tools. Easily share projects and collaborate remotely. Seamless DAW integration. Direct integration with popular DAWs makes it easy to use sounds in your projects. Weaknesses. Subscription fees. Continuous costs may add up over time. Credits can be limiting. Downloading certain sounds requires credits, and they can run out quickly. Not focused on full tracks. Splice is focused mainly on samples, meaning you'll need to create full compositions yourself. Final verdict. Splice Sounds is an essential platform for producers looking for a flexible, accessible source of high-quality sounds. With its massive library, subscription model, and collaboration features, it makes music production easier and more enjoyable. However, the cost and credit system might be a downside for those on a budget or just starting out. If you're a producer in need of fresh, professional-grade sounds, Splice is a top-tier choice. Links to Splice and related tools are in the description.